If you're really interested in getting approved for a KeyBank credit card, and I'm not talking about waiting for 1 week or 10 days to be approved, if you want to be approved as fast as possible, you really want to watch this video till the end, because I'll be sharing like a lot of tips that will help you a lot when it comes to being approved real quick. Okay, so here is a review I want you to pay attention to. The thing is, when we talk about KeyBank credit cards, first you need to familiarize yourself with the credit cards we're talking about, right? So we have the Key Cashback. So the Key Cashback is actually a card that allows you to get 2% cashback, and you have a 0% intro APR for the first 12 billing cycles on balance transfers made in the first 60 days. So this is really good. And after that, the APR will be from 21.74 to 28.74% based on your credit. And what we love about this card is that it's the 2% cashback. This is really great. And what I'm talking about unlimited 2% cashback. Okay. By the way, welcome back to the show. It's really a pleasure to have you here, and we love having this kind of convo every now and then. And what we love the fact that you have a 2% cashback rewards when you bank and save with KeyBank. Okay, and so you can see right there that KeyBank wants you to form a relationship with them. You got to be a client. Okay, got to be a client. And if we can only qualify you can qualify for this credit card, the Key Cashback, if you hold an account with the KeyBank and we have at least $1,000 in monthly deposit. So if you're listening to me right now, you will listen to me, and you currently have a KeyBank account, or you want to open a KeyBank account, if you are able to maintain $1,000 in monthly deposits, okay, and a savings or investment account with a minimum daily balance of $1,000, you could qualify for this credit card. Okay, so you have unlimited 2% cashback rewards. You always earn at least 1.5% cashback. Okay, and the cool thing, what we love here, is that even if you don't meet the KeyBank's bank and save requirements, you will receive 1.5% cashback on purchases. And what we love about this card is that you can redeem your cashback easily. Okay, you can access your FICO score. It's very secure and easy to use. And what we love about the card is also the wonderful customer service that KeyBank has. Is just fantastic. And the FICO score, when it comes to applying for this card, minimum 550 minimum, and income, you have $18,000. That's gross, $18,000. Another card I want to share with you here is the KeyBank Latitude, and this is another wonderful card. Now, unlike the first card that I just shared with you, this is not a cashback credit card. This card is actually great if you want to do balance transfers. Okay, KeyBank allows you to have 0% intro APR for the first 15 billing cycles on purchases and balance transfers. Okay, but you got to make those within the first 60 days. Balance transfers must be made in the first 60 days of account opening. Okay, if you want to qualify for the introductory APR. So again, 15 billing cycles, and the APR after the intro period, you are looking at 19.74% to 26.74%. It's just fantastic. The card has no annual fee. We love that a lot. You can actually earn rewards on this card sometimes, even though they actually started rolling this out based on the geography. Okay, but yeah, so the card is the KeyBank Latitude credit card. Fantastic card. And by the way, I want to quickly remind you of today's conversation. The topic, we are talking about KeyBank credit cards in general, and how do you actually apply properly and get approved for a high limit. Okay, the requirements for this KeyBank Latitude are similar to the first one, in the sense that KeyBank will want you to have an account with them. Okay, the more, if you have an account and you have a larger balance, you can qualify for a larger limit no matter your credit. Minimum credit here, 550. Minimum credit 550, and in terms of income, you have to make $18,000 minimum. So $18,000 minimum, that's like $1,500 every month, and that's gross income. Okay, they're not trying to complicate your life with net income here, but the only problem here is that, I mean, it's not really a problem, but the only limitation is that KeyBank is geo restricted, so they're not available in all 50 states. So you got to make sure that you qualify for the state where you're currently at, that they are in that state. Okay, and that you can actually benefit. But overall, fantastic card. So if you are looking for a balance transfer credit card from KeyBank, you want to go from the KeyBank Latitude credit card. If you're looking for a cashback credit card from KeyBank, you want to go for the Key Cashback. And if you are looking for a rewards credit card from KeyBank, you want to go for a Key to More rewards credit card. And this is a card that allows you to actually do a lot. I mean, and we love it a lot also because you can earn rewards on every purchase. Now, the card comes with a 0% intro APR for the first 6 billing cycles on purchases and balance transfers, but you don't get this card really if you want to do balance transfers. You go after this card for purchase for rewards, okay? And it's kind of cool. So 6 months where you have 0% APR, and after that your APR will be from 21.74% to 28.74% based on your credit, okay? And you can earn 5 rewards points for every dollar in eligible purchases plus monthly bonuses. So we love this a lot. Let me just kind of break it down for you. So basically, you earn 5 points for every dollar spent on eligible credit card purchases. No caps. There are no caps with this card, okay? So if you spend, let's say, $1,000 to $1,999, so $1,999 per calendar month, you will basically earn a 25% monthly bonus points. If you spend $2,000 or more per calendar month, you will earn a 50% monthly bonus points. Okay, so this is just the KeyBank trying to incentivize you to use the card a lot more. But yeah, it is what it is. And you can redeem your points for travel, shopping, event tickets, gift cards, cashback, and more. Okay, and it's really great. And this card also has the other elements, the other perks that all KeyBank credit cards have. In other words, you have access to your credit score. Okay, you can opt in to view your FICO score anytime without impacting your credit score in KeyBank online and mobile banking. So this is really great. And one thing we love about this card also is that you are able to accumulate rewards real fast. Okay, and because of the fact that there are no caps, because some rewards credit card, they have caps, and this could be a little discouraging for consumers. But KeyBank is giving you free latitude. They're giving you latitude in actually doing whatever you want to do with the card. So this is really cool, okay? Especially coming from a mid-tier regional bank, this is really good. It's really good. So KeyBank, this is great for the Key to More rewards. Another card I want to talk to you about is the Key Secured. Now, this is a card that a lot of people don't know about, but if you are in a situation where you are trying to build your credit, okay, you're trying to build or rebuild your credit, and you are a current KeyBank customer, we would strongly encourage you to consider this card because it allows you to actually, first of all, KeyBank will report your data to the credit bureaus, so you'll be able to boost credit real fast. And KeyBank is known to actually graduate you from secured to unsecured after 3 to 4 months. A lot of big banks such as Capital One, a lot of banks who have secured credit cards, they take 6 months, they take 9 months, okay? We know for a fact that Capital One, they take 6 to 9 months to actually graduate you. But KeyBank will actually graduate you a little earlier. So we have seen firsthand, not through anybody said, blah, 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 he said, she said, no. Firsthand, we have our own family members who have our own team members rather, who have family members. So relatives of our team members actually had some financial problems in the past, and they had to actually file for bankruptcy and whatnot, and they had to actually rebuild their credit. And KeyBank graduated them, actually 2 of them, after only 4 months. So this is really cool. Okay, so KeyBank is really good for that. So the thing here is that this card is really great. And you can actually deposit up to $5,000 to actually get the card. By the way, I want to quickly remind you of today's topic. We're having a conversation about KeyBank credit cards, all the tips, tricks, and hacks you can implement today to actually get your card real quick. So this is really cool, okay? And on top of that, this card actually allows you to basically qualify for a better card real quick. So if they don't graduate you to an unsecured credit card, they will actually close the card, the secured card, and help you reopen a new card. So this is just fantastic. But overall, we love KeyBank for that because they do help They really care about, that sometimes you hear the terms bankers don't care. They're just here to make money, a quick buck, whatever. KeyBank has not actually, they haven't actually, they have shown to us that they really care about those customers who are having problems. So you've seen the 4 credit cards that KeyBank has. Okay, there are others, but those are the primary 4 that you will be interested in. And if you have a FICO score of, 550, 600, you're good to go. Have an income level, gross income, okay, of $18,000. You're really good to go. Okay. Now I want to give you a few pro tips here. And I want to talk to you about key to more rewards. And the thing is, we spoke about the fact that so key to more rewards have to deal with KeyBank rewards points, right? And KeyBank rewards program is unsurprisingly called KeyBank rewards. And so with the right KeyBank credit card, you can accumulate lots of KeyBank rewards points. And one thing I need to say here is that all of KeyBank's rewards credit card are of the MasterCard type. So keep that in mind as well. And KeyBank rewards points expire 4 years after you earn them. 4 years. And now, having said that, there is no limit to the number of points you can earn either. But 4 years is the chronological end game here. So after you have earned KeyBank rewards points, you can redeem them simply by logging into your online KeyBank account and choosing your redemption choice from there. And if you decide to close your account, you'll have 30 days, up to 30 days, to redeem any outstanding points via the number on the back of your card. Okay. So this is kind of cool. So when we talk about KeyBank rewards credit card, what are we talking about? Well, we have a constellation of cards. So we have Key to More rewards credit card. Yes. Okay. We have the KeyBank business rewards card. So the Key to More credit card has a lot of unique benefits that might initially grab your attention. So you have predominantly the 5 points per dollar spent without caps, and you have the KeyBank business rewards card here, and this is actually the business equivalent of the Key to More rewards card that I just spoke about earlier. Okay. And in some aspects, the KeyBank business rewards card is superior to the Key to More rewards card. So you will earn 5 points per dollar spent on all qualified purchases, plus an additional 5 points per dollar spent on gas, restaurants, telecommunication purchases, and certain travel purchases, including flights, hotels, and cars. You have the Key Private Bank MasterCard credit card, which is another card that allows you to earn KeyBank rewards points. Okay. And this credit card is primarily for KeyBank's wealth management clients. Now let's quickly talk about how to earning bonus KeyBank rewards points with monthly spending bonuses. It's really important to have a clear idea about that. And the thing is, if you hold the Key to More credit card, you can qualify for bonus points. So you will receive 25% of the total purchase transaction points earned in a calendar month if you spend between $1,000 and $19.99 in that month. I just said this before, but now I want to go a little granular here. Even more, you will earn a 50% bonus of the total purchase transaction points earned in the calendar month if you spend $2,000 or more in that month. That means you can earn up to 7.5 points per dollar on purchases if you spend $2,000 or more per month on your Key to More credit card. Okay. And so earning bonus, you can actually earn bonus points actually with specific account activities. And in terms of redeeming your KeyBank rewards points, you have a gazillion. I mean, you have not a gazillion. You have myriad opportunities, myriad ways to actually redeem your KeyBank rewards points. You can get cash back. You can get cash back as a statement credit, as a direct deposit, or you can pay yourself back for select purchases already made. You can actually book travel. Yeah, this is kind of cool. Okay. You can buy gift cards. So gift cards are a solid way to redeem KeyBank rewards points. You can redeem KeyBank rewards points for fixed denomination gift cards across thousands of merchants. And so you will still receive a value of around 0.2 cents per point with this type of redemption. Okay. And you can purchase merchandise, for example. This is also another wonderful opportunity that you can actually follow as well. You can purchase merchandise. You can make donations to charity if that's what you really want. That's totally fine. You can buy events tickets. This is really fantastic. And so the whole thing, what I'm trying to say here is that you have a constellation of ways to redeem KeyBank rewards points. Just make sure that you are comfortable with the method that you have chosen, and then I'm pretty sure you will find a method that works for you. Before I close today's conversation, I really want to talk about the eligibility for a KeyBank credit card, okay? And when we talk about eligibility for KeyBank credit card, the very first thing you want to have, if you are sitting there and you are listening to me right now, the very first thing I want you to think about, I want you to really think about the fact that you got to have a relationship with KeyBank to qualify. Now, I'm not saying KeyBank will never say, we want you to be a client of ours. Otherwise, we're not going to give you a credit card. No, this will be a killer strategy for them, because all their prospects and potential customers will be just rushing in droves. They'll be going in droves to the competitors. KeyBank is not going to say that. What they are saying here is that, if you have an account with them, it helps. It helps in the approval process. So number one, you want to have an account with them. Number two, you want to make at least $18,000. I just said that, $18,000, and you want to also have a FICO score that starts at 550. You have to know your credit score and what it means. So knowing your credit score and what it means is really important. 550 is the minimum, but the more you have, the better anyway, right? With any credit products, the more you have, the better it is. But if you don't have a good credit score, you can you can try the secure credit card, okay? And start from there and have a KeyBank later on graduate you to an unsecured credit card. And you want to think about your needs. This is really important, okay? Do you mind paying an annual fee? Will you be carrying a balance? Do you want to earn rewards? Okay. You want to learn about credit card terms, because the whole thing here is that regardless of the KeyBank credit card that you get, right? Whether you get the Key to More, the Key Latitude, or the Key Cash, or the Key Secure credit card, you need to be comfortable with all the terms and conditions, okay? And if you want to earn rewards, do you want to earn cashback points or miles on qualifying purchases, okay? And or do you want to earn rewards on everyday purchases at grocery stores, gas stations, restaurants, and more? So you have to be really clear about what you really need, okay? And you also want to familiarize yourself with annual fees, APR, balance transfer, cash advance penalties, rewards rate, foreign transaction fees, welcome bonus. Those are important elements, so you have a clear idea what you're getting yourself into. You also want to look for a pre-approval. So KeyBank does allow you to be pre-approved for a credit card but the thing is, they don't have a public link whereby you can apply for a soft pull right away. No, you got to be a client, and if you log into your internal account, then you can see there's a section that says messages, and this is where KeyBank will bury some pre-qualification link if you do qualify. So check this often, okay? And be actually prepared for a hard pull once you apply and you are selected. That if they approve you, you should be fine, but you will have a hard pull. Thank you so much for your attention. I really appreciate it. In today's conversation, I was just giving you a quick sort of overview of a KeyBank credit cards. So we spoke about the 4 credit cards that you should focus on. There are a lot more though, but those are the 4 primary ones. So you have the Key Cashback, the KeyBank Latitude, we have the Key to More rewards, and we have the KeyBank Secure credit card. And I just share with you a little bit about KeyBank rewards program, if you will, and finalize this conversation by talking to you about the eligibility requirements. Thank you. God bless you. I will speak to you another time, but until then, remember, stay marvelous.